Hello everyone. Many times we come across a common question that we are facing difficulties in maintenance of the building. Today we'll be speaking about that. My name is Aditya Agrawal and I am from Adi Durga Steel. In order to do so, we need to follow some safety practices for maintenance. Very first point is that we should never do any kind of maintenance activity in the roof or at height without a personal present who is looking after the safety of these people or the maintenance in charge. Coming to the roof, what are the things which is required to maintain the safety? First is using the PPE, personal protective equipments. PPE should be used by everyone working at site and especially the persons who are working at height. Extreme cautions are required to be taken when working at roof. Only the competent and the skilled manpower, labor, should be used in order to do the maintenance at roof or in height. How the person should be reaching the top of the roof? Through using access ladders. The access ladders should be above 1 meter of the step off point. It should have a rigid base which is tied completely with the building so that at any point of time when the person is climbing to the roof, they should not fall off or the ladder should not fall off. Also, while climbing in the roof, they should use the loops, the harnesses, to climb up to the roof, not directly climbing like a monkey. When the person has reached the roof, it is of very much importance that they should also follow some practices such that we are not facing any problem in the future after the maintenance in the building, such as leakage in the building, loosening of the screws, or bending of the sheets. In order to avoid these, they should be walking in the screw line or the purlin line. Avoid stepping on the skylights and they should be walking only on the valley of the sheets and not on the ribs. Now for the people who want to do a regular maintenance over the building or on a particular area where the access for the maintenance is much higher than the other areas, there should be runways made, maybe temporary, maybe permanent, depending upon the situation and site working, the type of maintenance you are looking forward for. Another maintenance area which is located at height is overhead cranes, which is inside the building. All the other points remaining the same, such as PPE, access ladders, there are another points which is required to be followed for safety protocols while maintenance of the overhead crane, such as permanent runway should be there for the access of the overhead cranes throughout the building or on the locations where you need the repair and maintenance work to be happening. At least on those particular areas, permanent runway should be made. Next point being the clear height of the runway such that the person should be able to walk and work freely in the overhead crane should be at least 7 feet from the runway. Another point is that while starting the work in the overhead crane, the crane should be immobilized. It should not be connected to the current or it should not be moving at all, even while they are working inside the shed, but they are working at a height. Whenever walking over the runway or working for the maintenance of the overhead crane, they should always be wearing double harness belts so that they are safe not to fall from the height. This is all for the safety protocols which is required to be taken in order to do the maintenance of the building And if you're doing all these things, we can assure you that you will not be having problems in the future post maintenance of the building. Thank you. Have a good day.